Today we're going to show you how to correctly take out your horn bell out of your DiveAlert to clean out any debris or material that may be hindering it from working. So the first thing you're going to want to do is take your driver with a 1/2 inch socket on it and remove the male coupling. Once you got that removed, take a socket this one's a 7/16, but any socket that fits directly into this back hole. You can get it a little bit smaller if you want, but a nice snug fit works the best. Make sure to use the ratchet end of the socket so as to not damage the horn bell. You'll want to take your DiveAlert, cup it in your hand, give it a little space there so the horn bell has some room to pop out, and take your hammer and rap it a few times to get that horn bell out. If you have a couch or a soft chair, you can also put the horn bell of the DiveAlert against the soft part of the chair or couch and rap on it a few times here, and that'll pop out the horn bell. Once your horn bell's out, there'll be 3 pieces. Be the horn bell, the washer, and the diaphragm. At this point, go ahead and try to knock out any chips that might be in there or debris, and then you're ready to go ahead and reassemble. First thing that goes in is your little clear gasket that goes in on the bottom. Make sure it's seated correctly. Next thing that goes in is your diaphragm. Again, make sure it's seated correctly. And finally, your horn bell. At this point, you should be able to put it face down on the table and put some weight on it, and it should snap back into place. Like so. At this point, go ahead and put the male coupling back in and screw it in to just snug. And that's it.